Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a specific canned item that may not be in yours. It's in my cabinets, both here and in California. And that is enchilada sauce. Now, my wife will make a homemade mole enchilada sauce when she has the time and she's making turkey enchiladas or chicken enchiladas or whatever. But there are times when she's in a hurry and she doesn't want to spend the extra half hour or so making the mole sauce or enchilada sauce, and she grabs the can and uses that. And that's an important thing to consider, is having certain canned items such as the enchilada sauce in your pantry that you can grab when things are in a rush and you need to get a meal on the table quick. All right, so before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to the video you might be interested in. I'm going to put a link to my prepper pantry down here. I'll put another video over here, and I'll put the link to Camp Pat and Family Compound up here. Take care.